I wanted to try a quilt block that I saw from Jordan Fabric, and I wanted to do. I think I forgot what she called it, but she also got it from Cozy's quilt called Strip Apple Pineapple, and I wanted to try it out with some modifications. Um, I tried to do those curve piecing, not curve piecing, the roll. I forgot what you call it. Anyway, I did that. And this is actually the third attempt. The first two blocks didn't really come out right, and I made 4 blocks so far. The only thing different is this part right here is gonna be smaller. So when I put it together without the strips, it looks like that, and I don't like it. I think my color choices are too busy and too dark, so I'm just gonna sew that block together and just throw it into the backing. So I think I need to just use light colors. That looks a little better. I'm going to add some borders in this block to see what it'll look like. I don't know if I want to do it with the borders or without the borders, but it looks good without the borders. I said borders, but I meant sashing.